Welcome to my channel Smart Builds. My name is Praneega, and in this video I am going to present a real-world social media automation project that I built using Make.com, Google Sheets and AI-powered content personalization. This project focuses on automatically creating and posting personalized content across multiple platforms like LinkedIn, Facebook and Telegram, all from a single data source. In this digital world, it is really difficult to manually create and post content on different platforms, and it's very time consuming. So, the main goal of my project is to reduce manual effort, maintain content consistency, personalize posts for each platform, and automate the entire workflow using no code automation. For this project, I used Make.com for automation, Google Sheets as a data source, AI modules for summarization and personalization according to the different platforms, and LinkedIn, Facebook page, and Telegram bot for content distribution. Let me explain the workflow step by step by using this scenario you see on the screen. First, you have used the Google Sheets, which acts as a trigger module, and then the AI summarizer, which processes the content. It is an AI summarizer module. It summarizes and it converts into a structured base version so that it can be customized according to the different platforms. Then the router, which is the multi-platform distribution. After summarization from the AI summarizer, the content goes into the router model. The router is split into one or more workflows or paths to take the same content to different platforms. Now it is separated into different routes like LinkedIn, Telegram and Facebook. First, the LinkedIn personalizer. This content goes through the LinkedIn personalizer, in which I have used the Gemini to make the content according to the LinkedIn way. This module rewrites the content in a professional and formal tone. It sends the post. First, this LinkedIn personalizer makes the content that is according to LinkedIn. Then the Facebook personalizer, in the second route, it passes through the Facebook personalizer, and it is more friendly, engaging and casual. This is made and it will be sent to the Facebook pages. Then the Telegram personalizer, in which the content is personalized according to the Telegram, making it short and crispy. This is sent through the Telegram bot that I have already created using the Telegram bot father, which is a channel that is already in Telegram. Here we can automate the scheduling of the posts of both LinkedIn and Telegram and Facebook pages according to our convenience. It can be scheduled based on every timing. There is no any manual posting. It can be made every 15 minutes or 30 minutes, and time allotment can be given to it. The key benefits of this project is to save the time and effort and do consistent posting, and it is scalable for business and creators, and that is content creators, and it does not contain any code, and it is very beginner friendly. This can be used by content creators, startups, small businesses, and educational community channels, which will be very useful for them without any code. This project demonstrates how a Make.com website and an artificial intelligence AI can be combined to build a real-world automation without writing any complex code. It helps to understand the design, routing logic, and the AI-based personalization in a practical way. Thanks for watching this video. If you find this helpful,